Hi, I'm Rachelle Robinett, herbalist, founder of Supernatural, and your host of Plant-Based with Well+Good. And today I'm going to show you how to make a liver-supportive mocktail mojito. All of the ingredients in this mocktail are great for liver health. So let's talk about what those are and how those benefit the function of our liver. First, we have greens. And I'm using really dense forms of greens like spirulina, you can use chlorella, you can use chlorophyll. All greens are of fantastic benefit for the liver. We get electrolytes in greens. We get liver support from greens. We get ingredients like minerals and vitamins and certain phytonutrients or plant compounds that help to support the function of our liver. So specifically, I'm using spirulina today, and spirulina is a saltwater blue-green algae, and it's one of the densest forms of green that we have access to. It is so rich in vitamins, minerals. It supports our immune health. It's a potent antioxidant. It's really a super liver supportive ingredient. This recipe also includes electrolytes, and we're using a full spectrum powdered form, which is a great way to support your body fully rehydrating. Let's make our liver supportive mocktail mojito. First, we are just going to add a splash of water, still or sparkling, to a prep cup. Then we're going to add some of our greens. So again, you can use spirulina, chlorella, chlorophyll, whatever you like. And we'll add the electrolytes. I'm using a lemon lime flavor, which is great for this recipe. Anything kind of in the citrus family is recommended. For a little extra citrus, I'm going to squeeze some lime in here. Lemon and lime, citrus overall, are excellent for liver function. Citrus actually encourages our liver to produce enzymes, which are helpful for rebalancing our health overall. In here, I have activated charcoal. And this is a great ingredient for digestion, and it also binds to unwanted stuff we have in our gut and helps us to eliminate it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here because we're going to use this charcoal and salt mixture on the rim of the glass. This is an art. And then we'll just beautiful. And now we're going to add some ice to our glass. Pour our mixture in. And top with a little extra sparkling water. Now we're going to garnish with some mint. And mint, of course, is also fantastic. This ingredient is wonderful for digestion, and that makes every ingredient in this mocktail of liver benefit. Taste test time. Well, the rim itself is great because it's salty. The charcoal doesn't have a strong flavor. So refreshing, like citrus, sweet, salty, totally tastes like a mojito. Minty fresh. Yeah, it's very refreshing. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know what other videos you want to see. Make sure to subscribe to Well+Good's YouTube channel to never miss an episode. For more herbalism, follow me on Instagram and enjoy.